Today, we are going to draw a cute crab. Step 1. Draw a big oval for the body. Draw a big rainbow shape inside the body. Draw 2 little dots for eyes and a happy smile. Make a clap claws. Draw a long box for the legs and make the end pointy. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.